Good morning, students. So today our topic is the transformation of sentence. Okay, so in this what we have to do, we have to transformation of the sentence. Like we having simple sentence and we have to change into compound sentence or complex sentence, or questions demand compound sentence should be changed into complex sentence or a simple sentence, or complex sentence that should be changed into simple or compound. In this way we have to transformation of the sentence. Okay, so first I will tell you about the simple sentence. Okay, so first what is a simple sentence? Actually first we will read about this simple sentence. Okay, so what simple sentence? Okay, so simple sentence is what? A simple sentence which has only one finite verb in it, okay, or is made up of only one clause is called simple sentence. Okay, or in the simple way I will tell you that one independent clause means it does not depend on other. Okay, so one independent clause and which having one subject and one main verb. Okay, so let take the one example. This V is what? We is our subject and eat is what? Our verb. Okay, so in this we must eat to live. So is there any dependence? No. This sentence, this is the independent clause. So this is called simple sentence. Okay. Now move to the compound sentence. Compound sentence is what? Compound sentence, a sentence made up of two or more principal or main clauses is called a compound sentence. Okay, the clauses of a compound sentences are called coordinate clause. In this what happened? There are they are means they are not depending upon any other clause. Okay, means they are independent, two independent or more. Okay, so they are not depending. Like I will tell you, I will kill you. So it is independent clause means giving a full sense, and other, you will kill me. This is also independent means it not depending upon the other for its meaning. Okay, so this is called the independent clause. So compound sentences having the independent clause means it having independent clause two or more than that. Okay, and in this what one thing I will tell you, we when the two sentence or more than that they are separated by the comma or semicolon means we are using conjunction in this. Okay, and coordinate. Okay, so coordinate clause is this. So come to the complex. Complex sentence is what? A sentence made up of a principal or main clause and one or more subordinate clause is called complex sentence. Okay, main clause means it giving the full meaning, so it not depending upon that. Okay, that is a main clause. Okay, and subordinate clause what? About the subordinate clause, subordinate clause is what? Subordinate clause that depend upon for its meaning means it not giving the full information, it is not giving full information, that's why it is a subordinate clause. It will be depend on the main clause for its meaning. Okay, so let us start. So for, with example we will do simple sentence. Simple sentence, take example, we must eat to live. Okay, so in this we is what? This is our subject and eat this verb. Okay, I can speak English. So in this what? We having only one independent clause. Okay, we having only one independent clause. Okay, and one subject and one verb in the simple sentence, one clause or one finite verb. Okay, now move to the next, that is a compound. So in this we have not taken the example, so let us take the example, we must eat or we cannot live. Okay, so in this two sentences means two independent clauses are there, but they are joining with a conjunction here. Okay, this is a conjunction here. Okay, so we must eat. Okay, we must eat. We must eat. This is also independent clause. We cannot leave. This is also independent clause. Means they both are independent. They are not depend upon for the meaning to the other one. Okay, and they are joining with what? Conjunction, that is a or here. So this is called compound sentence, and in the compound sentence one identity is also there. There is a semicolon, comma or semicolon in that. Okay, so in this way we can easily identify compound sentences. Okay, let us take another example. I will kill you. I will kill you, or you will kill me. So again, what this I will kill you. I will kill you, and you will kill me means both are independent, and they are connecting with what? Or, and there is a comma. So this is our compound sentence. Okay, and let us move to the next complex sentence. In the complex sentence, I have told you about that there is a one main principal clause or principal clause and one or more subordinate clause. Okay, subordinate clauses, they are depend upon the main clause for their meaning. Okay, so one independent, and you can say one independent clause, and one or more you can say, or more. Okay, so there are independent clause. Okay, sorry, independent. Okay, so this is one independent is, this is main. Okay, so this one is a main clause here. Okay, so let us take example. Although he was wealthy, although he was wealthy, still he was unhappy. So this is dependent. This one is your dependent clause. Although he was wealthy, so this is the dependent clause, and still he was, if he was unhappy, this is independent. Means this sentence giving the full sense, means it not depend on the other sentence to give us complete sense. So अपने आप में ये पूरा है. So he was unhappy, this is independent clause, and this although he was wealthy, so this is dependent clause. Okay, whenever price goes up, customers buy less product. Okay, so आप देखेंगे कि जब भी प्राइस ऊपर जाते हैं तो कस्टमर क्या करते हैं? कस्टमर्स जो हैं कम सामान लेते हैं, है ना, ऐसे. So this whenever price goes up, this whenever, so this is whenever price goes up, this is dependent clause. Customer buy less product, so this is independent clause. It's not depend upon the another. Okay, so it is independent. Now we will change the sentence. How the transformation of compound sentence into the complex sentence. So I have explained you about the simple, we having one clause, one finite verb, compound sentence, two or more clauses of equal rank, means they are not depending, they are independent, and two or more coordinate clauses we are having in the compound sentence. And in the complex sentence, main one principal clause or main clause and one or more subordinate clause. Subordinate clauses are those who depend upon the meaning, for the meaning to the other sentence. Okay, in the same. Okay, so let us start how we will change compound sentence into complex sentence. Here this is the subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunctions are example if, because, since, while, when, before, after, that, so, whether, unless, so, that, etc. So these are the subordinate conjunctions we are going to use. Okay, so let us take the example. If, simple, first we will take the simple, subscribe me. Okay, this is comma here. Subscribe me and you will crack the exam. So this is dependent. This one is a depend. How it is dependent? Look, subscribe me and you will crack the exam. This is independent clause. Okay, so in this sentence we having the dependent and independent clause. So this sentence is giving the full sentence, but one independent and one dependent. It means this is a complex. This is a complex sentence, and we have to change into what? We have to change into now we have to change into what? Compound. Okay, we have to change into complex, sorry. So if you subscribe me, if again this, if these are the examples of what? These are the examples, these are the conjunctions which are we using in the complex one. Okay, this all. So compound, complex, sorry. So if you subscribe me, if you subscribe me, तो ये and remove हो जाएगा. If you subscribe me, you will crack the exam. This will be the complex. Okay, complex sentence. Do your best, you will never regret. So this sentence is what I have explained you. There is a comma there. So this is our compound sentence. Now we have to change into compound into complex. By doing your best, you will never regret. Okay. Or how can you make complex? If you do your best, you will never regret. In this way you also can change. So we have changed compound into complex. Let us take one more example. She aimed to win the prize and worked hard. She worked hard so that she might win the prize. So in this way we have changed into complex. Okay, he did this and got punishment. So he got punishment. क्यों मिली? Because he got punishment because he did this. He did this means this is the subordinate clause, means this depend upon for the meaning to first one. Okay, so this is the independent. Okay, so now let's take another example. Transformation of complex sentence into the compound sentence. Okay, so in this how will we change? So this is this coordinate conjunctions. So coordinate conjunctions we are using in compound sentences. Okay, so we can prove that he is the best. So this is a complex that is there. He is the best, comma, we can prove this. We make compound sentence. Okay, easy. Okay, putting his hat on, he went out. Putting his hat on, he went out. So how we will change into? He put his hat on and went out. This is how we change. Okay, or if you give me the book, I will read it. You give me the book and I will read it. It is compound sentence. We have changed it. Okay. Transformation of complex compound sentence to simple. Means simple sentence may we have to change. In the simple sentence we having one clause, one finite verb. Okay. So how will we change it? Look at this. He is very poor, but he does not complain. Okay, so he is very poor but he does not complain. So this is compound sentence we having this, and we have to change into simple. In spite of being poor, he does not complain. This is the simple sentence. We have changed into simple. Okay. He confessed that he was the guilty of crime. So this is our complex. So he confessed the crime. He confessed the crime. I saw a dog that was wounded. So simple, I saw a wounded dog. So in this way we have changed. Okay, so we have changed our sentences. So this is the transformation of sentence. So I think this will be easy for you. Okay, thank you.